I'm going to show you how to go from this to that. And this is really the simplest yet the most effective modification you can make to your BMW's interior. Simply pull it up. Now, if it's wedged all the way in, all you have to do is grab a set of pliers, but you might want to wrap it in paper towel first. Out with the old, and in with the new aluminum OEM pin. Now, it is up to you which way you want to position it. This way, or do you want to flip it that way? Although this way, it says, whee! And then when you align it, simply push it in, and you're done. And I just realized the kit comes with this rubber piece, so you don't have to use a paper towel like a schmuck.